Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. On this week's video, I will be showing you how to make this creamy DIY face scrub. This is suitable for most skin types and comes together fairly quickly. So let's go ahead and get started. Grapeseed oil will be the first ingredient that I will be adding to my beaker. Grapeseed oil contains vitamin E, which is really good for all skin types. Not only that, but it helps to strengthen the skin's barrier. So if you have redness, oily skin, this is definitely an ingredient you want to be using. Next, I will be adding some jojoba oil. Now, this is actually a wax, but it is great for all skin types and it helps to balance the sebum in the skin. So the next ingredient that I will be adding is cetyl alcohol. This helps to give the face scrub a nice creamy feel. After adding the cetyl alcohol, go ahead and cover your beaker like I'm doing here, and you're going to gently heat this for about 20 to 30 minutes until the cetyl alcohol is completely melted. Once the cetyl alcohol has completely melted, I'm going to be stirring this just to allow it to cool down before I add my next ingredients. So hopefully you can tell here by looking at this beaker, as I'm stirring, this is becoming a little bit more thick and not so much liquidy, which just signifies that this is starting to cool down. So right now I'm going to go ahead and take the temperature of my ingredients in this beaker. I want it to be below 140 degrees Fahrenheit. And here you see it is below that range. So now I can go ahead and add my remaining ingredients. Since vitamin E is so good for all skin types, I will now be adding this. To ward off any bacteria from growing in my face scrub, I will be adding my preservative choice, which is Optifin. I would highly recommend using a preservative because there is a chance that water will get into this face scrub and you definitely don't want to ruin it. Now that I have added the vitamin E along with my preservative, I will be gently stirring this to incorporate it into the rest of the ingredients I've used. The very last ingredient that I will be adding today is going to be jojoba beads. Now, this is what I had. I had these colored jojoba beads, but use whatever color you would like. These are very mild and are gentle on the skin. They help to moisturize the skin. Not only that, but it won't strip the natural oils from your face. Time to go ahead and package this face scrub that we made today. Now, how often you use this is going to be your preference. I prefer to do this 1 to 2 times a week. I would definitely say not to do it any more than 3 times a week. So here's the formula along with any substitutions that I used to create this DIY face scrub today. This was fairly easy to make. The one thing that I would say that you can't swap out or substitute would be the cetyl alcohol. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.